Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll teach you guys how to create a complete WordPress website using the Oceanwp theme. I'll take you through a clear step-by-step guided process that makes it effortless for you to learn and build your own website. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. We are going to use a simple drag and drop tool called Elementor. In addition, the resources and tools we'll use in this tutorial are completely free. Yes, you can build your own website on the cost of nothing. Well friends, here is the website we are going to build today. We will build a fantastic looking website like this without paying anyone, even a single dollar. The design, the color, the layout, everything is professional. You can even change any of the content on this website to personalize your needs. So, be sure to watch the full video and learn how to do it. So, let's start making this website. Well friends, we will complete this whole website in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Get a domain name and hosting service. Step 2. Install WordPress on your hosting. Step 3. Install the Oceanwp theme. Step 4. Customize and add your own content. Well friends, start with the step number 1. Get a domain name and hosting. For absolute beginners who don't know what a domain and a hosting is, a domain name is the name of your website that people type on the browser's address bar usually. In other words, if your website was a house, then the domain name was the address of your house. And now, if you're thinking about hosting, then it's the actual place where your website is stored. So it makes your website accessible to the whole world. So now you have found a good idea about what a domain and hosting are. So it's time to get on for ourselves. Okay, so which one should you purchase? Well, there are hundreds of companies in the market, but not all of them are worth purchasing. Some lack in performance, some in support. As this is crucial for building a fast-loading and best performance website, you should choose a reliable hosting provider. In this case, we'll use Bluehost for our hosting service. It's one of the best hosting providers in the market, and it's recommended by WordPress.org, the official website for WordPress. They will give you a free domain for 1 year, unlimited disk space, free SSL certificate, and many more essential features. As a result, it's not only the most popular web hosting service on the market, but also the easiest to use. Please check the link in the video description to purchase the hosting. If you purchase through this link, it will support us and inspire us to create more helpful content like this. So enough talk, let's begin the journey. Okay, our first step will be to get a domain and hosting. If you have on, it's good. Or if you need on, just click on the link below. I'll show you the whole process of purchasing package from Bluehost. Well, if you click on the link, it will take us to the Bluehost official website. We want to create a WordPress website, so we will choose a package from their dedicated WordPress plan. Look on the menu bar, there is an option for WordPress, and it gives us 4 choices. We'll click on WordPress hosting. It takes us to the dedicated WordPress hosting plans from Bluehost. So, they have 4 different plans here: Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro. We'll choose the Basic plan. It has more than enough features to get us going. Bluehost offers the best value for our money compared to other hosting providers. For only $2.95 per month, we get to host our website, use 50 GB SSD storage, get a free domain for 1 year, free SSL certificates, and other features. If you are willing to start a new blog or intend to showcase your business or maybe create your personal portfolio or any other basic purpose, you will rarely need more than one website. Or if you are sure to need more than one website or are willing to start an e-commerce store, you can choose the Plus or Choice Plus plan. They are almost the same. So now you know which one to choose. I'm going to go with the basic plan, so click on select. The next step is to get a domain. If you don't have on, you will have to find a unique on that has not been used yet and try to retain the .com extension along with your domain. And it's the most recognized and trusted on. I'll search for Trainer Michael and click on Next. So luckily the domain is available. And now we have to create an account in Bluehost. Let's fill out your details under account information. Now here they are showing your package related information. They offer two types of subscription plans for 1 year and 3 years. For now, let's choose the 1 year program. And come below here, they have included some extra features to your package, but it will charge us extra cost. And we are trying to keep things in the Bluehost, so I'm removing them. Now let's fill in the payment details. Now let's check agree with Bluehost's terms and conditions and hit submit. If your information and the payment details are correct, they will take you to a new page and ask you to add a username and password to your Bluehost account. At this point, we completed first step to get our domain name and hosting. I hope you have successfully created the Bluehost account. So log into your account. Bluehost by default install WordPress for you. In that situation, they will send you the login credential to your email. So the second step may not be necessary for all. So check your email and skip this section. But if you don't find any login credential in your email, come to my sites from the dashboard. If you don't see any site already created, you will have to do that yourself. Don't worry, I will show you how to do that. Just click on Add Site, choose to create new site. On this page, they are asking how we want to start building our WordPress website. One is the default WordPress installation and the other one includes Bluehost Builder, which is a tool we can use to create and customize our website content. But we'll go with the WordPress default installation, so click on Get Started. They are now asking about our site name, site tagline. So try to keep your site name identical to your domain name. But for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to keep it Michael Training. And the tagline of your website is a short phrase describing your website. My tagline will be Fulfill Your Fitness Dreams. And click on Next. On this page, they are asking us to choose our domain. So click on it and choose the preferred one. And for directory, just keep it blank. Over here, they are including some free plugins with installation, but currently we don't need them, so uncheck them. And click on Next. They are trying to offer us a more personalized experience when they ask about the purpose of this site. In this case, I'll choose Portfolio. And our step second is complete. WordPress is successfully installed on our hosting. But first, save your username and password in a safe place for future access. And click on Login to WordPress. Okay, we logged into WordPress. Let's go to our dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard, and from here we can control our website, and the site related information notifications are displayed here. First, let's remove the unnecessary plugins that comes with installation. Hover over plugins and click on installed plugins. You can see there are quite a few plugins installed by default. Since we don't need them right now, we'll remove them. It's good to remove unnecessary plugins to make our site load faster. Let's select them all, and from bulk action, choose deactivate and hit apply. Again, select them all. From bulk actions, this time select delete and click apply. So these plugins are permanently deleted now. Now let's view how our site looks. Hover on the home icon and open this link in the new tab. So this is how our site looks by default. We'll install a new theme to make this site look like the one in our demo. Let's get back to the dashboard. Hover over appearance and click on themes. We want to add a new theme, so we'll click on add new. And here search for Oceanwp. And this is the one we are looking for. Click on install. Then on activate. Let's get back to our site. Now reload the page. See how our homepage has changed. This means our theme has been activated successfully. Now let's go back. Hover on plugins and click add new. Now we'll install an essential plugin called Ocean Extra, which adds extensive features and functionalities to this theme. You can search for the plugin here, or look at the top. There is the message. This theme recommends the following plugin, Ocean Extra. We can install by clicking on Install Plugin. Again, click on Install. Installation is complete. Now we'll go back to the dashboard. And we can see another pop-up right here. It's asking us to turn the setup wizard. Click on Run. So this is the welcome page. We'll click on Get Started. This is the exciting part. This theme offers us some pre-built demos that we can use for our website. This means our website will look exactly like these demos, and we can also preview them. Click on Live Preview. So our website will look exactly like this if we import this demo. And that's what we are going to do. Let's come back to that page and select the one we want to import. Then click on Install Demo. This page tells us to install the required plugins for this demo. I'm installing the first 3, but the last one is a premium plugin, so we'll just avoid it. The demo will still work without it. And over here, it's asking what else we want to import with this demo. I mean pictures, menus, posts, and other essential data. So let's keep them all checked and click on Import. Okay, the import is complete. We have what we need. So I will skip this step. It's done. Finally, we will click on View Website. So our website is looking stunning like the one in the demo. So we effortlessly made this professional website using free resources. Let's check it out. This was our third step. We have successfully installed our theme and imported the demo. Now it's time to add our own content. For our final step, I will show you how you can change any image or text or just anything on this page easily so that you can use this website for yourself. Believe me, it's easier than importing demos. On the top bar, there is an option here, Edit with Elementor. Click on it. Let me first give you a simple overview of this tool. It's a virtual drag and drop page builder called Elementor. This means it shows you real-time view how Elementor will appear on the page. It makes editing so easy and fun that even kids can do this. You can edit almost anything on this page except the header and footer section. You can edit this from the theme customizer. We will get to that later. Okay, for an example, in order to change this text, just click on it, remove the text and write your own. Just like this. And if you want to change the font or the color of this text, the sidebar shows all the related options for this text. For example, come to the Style tab and the first option is text color. You can change this to any color. I'm setting our red color. And to change the font, click on Typography and select from the Family option. Almost any font is available here. Let's choose Lato. See how easy it is. Elementor is simple and beginner friendly. All the features and options are effortless to understand and use. We have a dedicated video on how to use Elementor Page Builder on our YouTube channel. I will provide the link in the video description. Okay, consider changing the size. Just use the range slider. Or if you would like to make the text thinner, just change the weight. Let's make it 400. Easy as that. The options you are seeing for this text are similar for each other text on this page. You can change any of them in the same manner. If you want to edit this button, click on it or the pencil icon and edit the text input here to change the button text. For example, I will change it to Contact Us. See how it works. Now let's change the color. First, come to the Style tab. And here is the color option. I'm just changing it to red. This just set the color for normal position only. For changing the hover color, we have to switch to the hover tab and change the color here. I'll change the color to blackish. We'll have to save the changes by clicking on Update. Let's go to the dashboard and visit our site. The changes are visible now. The text color and button color has changed. Let's turn back and edit more. any element on this page is easily editable. Consider this image, click on it, and here is the option to choose image. I will upload a new image. Just drag and drop an image over here. Then click on Insert Media. And the image has changed. Now let's change this background color. Click on the 6 dots and come to the Style tab. Again click on Choose Image. Then Upload Files. Now drag and drop the image and click on Insert Media. See how easily this works. Now, if you would like to decrease the dark effect from the image, open the Background Overlay tab. Then reduce the opacity of background overlay. Now, this looks better. Let's move on. Next, I'll show you how you can add or delete a section from this page. Think for this one. We want to remove the map and add something new to this place. Right-click on this pencil icon and choose Delete. Now, drag and drop any module from here. Let's take the text module and drop it here. First, let's go to Styles and change the alignment to center. Then go to Typography and increase the font size. I'll keep this 18 pixels. So, now you can hopefully change any section or content from this page. But as I said before, Elementor is only limited to content of this page. If you want to change the header section or the footer section, we'll have to use the theme customizer. So click on Update. Then click on this bar icon. And let's open the view page in a new tab. Now that you can change and edit the content with Elementor, let's learn how we can change the header and footer section of this website. Now click here on Customize. First, let's change the header style and add background color. So go to Header, then General. And here we can see the header style is set to transparent. And just change it to minimal. And the header gets a background now. Let's change that color. Simply come over here to the background color and change the color. You can change this to any color. So next, if you want to change the logo, just click on this pencil icon. And here is the option to change logo. Let's upload on. Click on Upload. And drag and drop the logo. I'm choosing Skip Cropping. If it is too large like this, we can set its max width. I'll just keep it 100 pixels. This is how you can add your own logo and customize the header. So let's move on to the footer section. Go back to the main menu. Then go to Footer Widgets and check the Enable Footer option. I'll keep everything as default except changing the footer column to 3. Now the footer section is enabled. Let's go back and come here to widgets, then footer on. Click on the plus icon and search for contact info. This is how the widget looks. You can change the demo information and add your personal details here. But for now, I don't want all of them. So I'm going to remove some of them. This looks better. Now click on Publish to save the changes. So let's go back and go to footer 2. In this column, I will add an image. Click on the add icon and search for image. This is the one. Now click on Upload. Let's choose this one, and we'll also add a caption under this image. Let's publish this and go back to footer 3. Let's add a calendar in this OneSearch calendar. Now publish this. And we have successfully created the footer part. Our task is complete. With this, we have completed step number 4. We learned how to customize this site and add your own content to it. So, this is how the changes are looking now. If we review, what we have learned: what domain and hosting are, install WordPress on hosting, installed Oceanwp theme and import this demo, customized this demo and added our own content. If you want to learn more on using Elementor and creating a website from the scratch, check out the link below in the description. We have guided step-by-step lessons for beginners and extensive training for intermediate learners. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if it was helpful for you, like and share the video. And if you want more useful content like this, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.